All right, you're on YouTube.
Come on.
This is what it happens on a Friday. You get three people that have no idea what they're doing trying to get a Jeep Comanche running. 1987 Jeep Comanche.
You're welcome.
He was almost a plumber. Oh yeah. And we're going to try to start it here shortly. He told me it's 180 out. So we'll see if he's correct. And if he is correct, that may still not be the problem.
So I'm just a dumb 22-year-old Biden.
There's plenty of those out there. It's 1987 Jeep Comanche with about 125,000 miles. This is a 1990 Jeep Comanche, 245,000 miles.
Same thing, a small bit. I'm gonna have one close.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
There's got to be an easier
Keep
way.
coming. Keep going. Keep going. Dang, it keeps going.
How close is it?
It's like straight down.
Straight down.
The part you're having me watch, it's like facing me right now. This one. It's not. You want it towards the battery. Right?
So, say I need to get one more time.
Every time you go one more, it goes a little too far. Right there, actually. Yeah.
That's why you guys told me just to bump it.
Hey, bump it.
Bump it real good. Dun, dun.
At least we look like we know what we're doing. Maybe not.
Which one of us?
Probably none of us.
Probably the one doing all the fucking work.
Well, that way, if anything goes wrong, we can blame you.
Excuse the language.
Oh.
Kids might be watching this.
Me Smalls.
I didn't know we were still recording.
Oh yeah, we're recording.
Alright.
You got the positive charger off of the terminal.
Yeah, I'll get it in a second. And then,
I don't think I'd trust you if you didn't wear your glasses on your hat.
saying the glasses is sell it.
Yeah. It lets me know that you're still young, but you're old enough to think you know what you're doing.
Like I said, I had probably a day and a half wrapped up in my wife's cousin's vehicle doing this. And if you think it's the injectors, I'm telling you, I'm pretty fucking close. Sorry, language. If you want to try to spray some fuel in there, just to see, I think it's kind of close.
Okay.
She's trying.
If any of you Jeep guys on here can leave it in the comments, tell us what we're doing wrong, it would be greatly appreciated. Or if anybody just wants to come over and have a few beers and work on it for me.
Did you spray fuel? Yeah. Right.